And we're down.
Does that go on the bloopers?
Yeah, this is definitely going on the bloopers.
Completely ran me over, overtook me, dragged me about 20 feet.
Wait, hang on. You literally got run over by a dump truck?
Yes.
Holy crap. For the record, you don't mind all this being on the channel, right?
No, not at all. I think people can learn from it.
Good.
You know, learn just to be aware. Don't drive for yourself, drive for other people. Yeah.
You're here on the ramp merging. He's on the far right lane. And then he went into the merge lane even though he had to come back.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, no, I mean, I can move it and I can do it.
Girl, that's what I'm fucking talking about.
You know, bike life or no life. Oh no, is that a chicken strip?
I'm perfectly okay admitting that when it comes to this bike, I'm still riding afraid a little bit. So you come out to Wynwood a lot?
I don't think I've ever been down here.
Oh wow, seriously?
Yeah, I like Broward. I really don't. The good thing is the good thing about Miami, definitely the lot of pure riders, the police are more aware.
Right.
Broward cops, they're a little bit more strict. They don't really like riders. I mean, they're gonna want to pull you over every chance they get.
Right. See here, I don't really. Cops have never really bothered me, even though I ride with this thing, and I keep my license plate hidden. But you know, I've never gotten pulled over yet, thank God. Knock on wood.
Yeah.
So you know.
I'll really pull you over just to ask for your endorsement.
Well, you're a girl, so I think a lot of cops would pull you over just to ask for your number. You know, it wouldn't surprise me in the least. You ever been to the Purple Bridge?
No.
All right, let's go there. Oh, I know, right? I remember when I had my last accident, I was bikeless for like a month and a half, and I was desperate to get back on.
Oh my God! You have no idea. Every time I drive by a dealership, I'm like, I'm gonna go buy a bike.
You're just itching for it.
Right.
So how long have you been without riding now? How long since your accident?
I bought my bike right after. So a year.
Okay.
Yeah, like I said, I went to the dealership, so you know, I touched, you know, briefly in R1M. You know, I've been on, you know, Calvi sponsor, so I've ridden a couple of their naked bikes, and then Steel 7. So I was, like, again, down the block. I wouldn't call it riding. You know, I didn't really open up the bike or anything.
Right.
We're getting there.
Look how cool we look.
I look awesome.
Yeah.
My little pink backpack.
Love it.
Don't mind my overcautious driving.
Nah, you're fine, girl. I know the feeling too, don't worry.
I think it's not even so much about the bike. It's like, I know I can't use 2 feet especially for.
Right.
And then all my bikes is just, I'm not into it.
Right, okay, so come see me like 2 weeks after you get your bike, and then I can make fun of your chicken strips.
Right, no chicken strips on my bike. No.
We'll see.
I'm about that track life.
Come on. You're about that track life, huh?
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that. I gotta go to the track. I haven't been yet.
No, it's amazing.
I wanna.
Different style of riding.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. I want. You know, do tracks ever do like cruiser days where they just take like a bunch of cruisers to the track? Because I think that would be fun. It'd be weird, but it'd be fun.
I don't know. I can't say because I'm not sure.
Right.
I'm sure they'll let you. I know Friday nights they do like the drive for the bikes. And
right.
They let you ride at night.
But you know, I think if they actually advertised, you know, Harley night or Harley ride or whatever, or cruiser day, I think they'd get a shit ton of people out there.
The problem is, and I say it because I know people that work at the Harley Davidson dealership, it's
right.
a different lifestyle Harley riders. Like,
oh, absolutely.
For American Harley riders.
Right.
And a lot of them are like task riders. They do the long trips. You know, versus the sport bike riders, you know, that are, you know, out here in Miami. We're going in and out of traffic. It's
right.
a different style of riding. Probably why they're not marketing.
No, absolutely. You know what I mean? But at the same time, I mean, how many people does it take to fill up the track? I
want to say they maybe like 30 riders at a time.
Okay, yeah, so even better. You can get that many Harley riders out there. I would like people like me. We just go because we're curious to see how we can handle the track on our bikes.
I mean, I know they have like they clean them by class. That's the awesome thing about at least the track down here in Florida.
Right.
You're going by class. We're not going to put you in the same class as a professional. You know what I mean?
Oh, of course not.
The intermediate and then the, you know, the people that are, you know, hitting a turn at 110 miles an hour. They're not going to
Right.
force you to ride with them.
They're a lot more safe. What's the fastest you ever took a turn? Be truthful.
90.
Okay. That's pretty good.
I've done 180 in a straight line.
180?
A turn I took 90, yeah.
I did 160 on this bike. I'm pretty sure I maxed it out.
That's crazy. You've only really been riding a year.
Yeah, I know. But I rode a lot. Like, I already have like 10,000 miles, more than 10,000. Well, no, I have like 20.
Yeah.
I have like 20,000 miles already, so.
I want to say like 7,000 miles, probably in like 3 months.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
I mean, I was riding every chance I could get. I mean, I was on a bike. I was on a car. So,
Nice.
gorgeous.
Oh, this is fantastic. Yeah, hell yeah. This is great. I love this. This ride is nice. I'm surprised you've never been down here.
No.
So,
I remember my dad's in the military, so I know he went to what was it? I think I needed to go get like my military ID.
right.
So I was like down here at the passport.
Right.
About it. I'm thinking.
Oh, look at this lean angle. Yeah, baby.
Ah!
Scraping footboard.
We're going on a sidewalk?
Yep.
I don't think I've ever ridden on the sidewalk.
Ah, well, this is how we roll down here in the 305.
That's Miami for you.
That's right. All right, bring her in, girl. Here, let me get that stand for you. No, lean that way. There you are.
5 minutes later.
So nice. I like it.
Yeah, this is the big spot where all the bikers meet.
Yeah?
Yeah. Like Bike Nation, which is the biggest group around here.
Yeah, that they I know.
They're at the tail of the drag route. But
Yeah, no, I think I saw them. I think I had them. I saw them.
if not, they'd be out here. So we recently did our first helmet giveaway in partnership with Voss Helmets, and Yamahuri was the winner.
Flashback.
I took every entry into a spreadsheet and then I randomized it. We have a total of 918 entries. Before we draw it, I want to thank Voss Helmets for sponsoring this giveaway. Let's get to it. So, like I said, we randomized the list, 918 entries, and now we're gonna ask my friend, hey Google, give me a number between 1 and 918.
406.
406. That's our lucky winner. Let's see who it is. 406. 406. Congratulations to Yamahuri Vester. There's our winner. That's our winner. Yep. Let's see. Oh, you were so close, Rider Check. If you do want a Voss helmet, use promo code 305Rider, all one word, and Voss will give you 10%.
End of flashback.
But apparently he's got like 7 helmets, and true gentleman that he is, he gave it to the next person in line, who is that Rider Check. So here we have the winner of our first helmet giveaway. And there are more coming. Follow me on Instagram if you don't yet. And you know, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We'll wait. Go ahead. All right, go ahead. Oh yeah, that's really cool that he did that.
Yeah, I know. I was so sad. They're like, oh, it's your helmet. That doesn't look like shit. And I can like, but I don't want the new Senna. I don't know. I'm like on the fence.
Well, you're getting a helmet for free, so.
Yeah. I'm like, this one works fine though. Like,
Right. I mean, think about it. When you rode before, did you ever pair up with that many riders? Because the big advantage of the new Senna is that it meshes like 50
yeah,
freaking
no,
people.
I don't think.
So,
I mean, you saw my Bluetooth list. So it was like 3 people.
right. No, I think that would be a clusterfuck too.
Yeah,
Like,
no. Because
yeah.
you just hear, it's like playing Call of Duty with too many people.
Exactly.
And all you hear is like, it's not fun.
Yeah. I think 2, 3, maybe even 4 people.
Yeah,
is
if not,
good.
you just put your music music on, and you just
Exactly,
ride.
you just
I
go.
wouldn't.
Oh, riding without music
Yeah.
is insane. What was it?
The R3, the Yamaha R3.
Oh, Yamaha
Yeah.
3? Okay.
So, I mean, I really want a Gixxer.
No, don't do jitsu.
You're so comfortable. For short people?
Yeah.
I'm a Yami fan, don't get me wrong. If I could ride an R6, I would ride an R6.
Right.
But
I
I
have-
can't even...
My only thing against Suzuki is like, they're so generic looking.
I'll give you that. They're the type of bikes you would want to customize. I don't think I would ever
Sure.
ride
Yeah.
Gixxer stock.
Yeah, like stock, it looks like everybody's got the same bike.
Yeah. Like you would definitely, the headlight, you get the new visor. I mean, you're going to wrap it. I mean, you're going to,
Yeah.
you know, probably do the whole, you know, exhaust again.
That's a good point. They're bikes made to be customized.
Yeah.
Okay, I can see that.
You know, like Yamahas, I mean, really, I don't see people change them a lot.
I think the new Yamahas are beautiful.
Oh my god,
They
they're
look
sick
gorgeous.
with the way they have the second seat now, where
Yeah.
it's like it's open. Oh my god!
Awesome.
Like I said, I was working at the dealership. I want to buy one.
I want it.
Fucking voice price.
No, I love it's not a super sport, but I love the FZ and MT-09s.
Yeah,
They look sick.
I know. I'm on the
But
fence.
funny enough, if money was no object and I had my choice of both super sport and naked, I would go with the Triumph Daytona and the Triumph Speed Triple.
Really?
I think they look sick.
I don't think I know a lot of people that ride Triumph.
They don't. I don't know that many.
It's not a popular bike.
Most of the Triumphs you see are you see some Speed Triples, and you see the Bonnevilles, the bobber style looking
yeah,
cafe
that's like the only
racery.
one I think I've ever seen on the road.
Yeah, I've seen one Triumph Daytona on the road. Actually, no, I've seen two, and I've seen a few Speed Triples, but nobody that I know has one.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's what I would go.
Yeah, I don't think anybody. Like I said, I know a pretty diverse group of riders. I mean, I know my Harley people, my Japanese.
You see them quite a bit here. There's a place up here called Imperial Moto Cafe, and I feel like a lot of more European bikes go there.
Yeah.
Ducatis and Triumphs, they go there a
I think
lot.
the weirdest bike I rode was a Hayasan.
Hayasan, yeah, I've ridden those Korean bikes.
So my first bike,
My first bike was a Honda Shadow.
you started solo with the basics.
Oh yeah, I started like a basic white boy. I have no problem admitting it either.
That's how we grow.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, yeah, from the start, I thought, like, I've always been more into cruisers than sport bikes, but I mean, I love all motorcycles. I've yet to meet a bike I didn't like, you know?
Yeah.
Hence why now I have a sports bike too, and I'm planning on getting a naked bike, but I'm not gonna do it till Harley's coming out with the Bronx early next year, and I want to test ride that before I buy anything else. Do what?
Yeah. I said I would take your time, really enjoy it, learn.
I am, exactly.
Yeah.
But you know, before I get a naked one, I do want to test drive the Harley naked bike, because I don't know, if they hit it out of the park, I'm gonna want it.
Oh, they're amazing. Like
So-
the Ironmans and stuff. Or even like the slim soft tails.
Oh, no, yeah. But this is Harley's first real Street Fighter bike that they're going to come out with. So, you know, they got to get the price point right, though. If they're priced like way above the MT-09s, it's not going to work out. All right, I'm pretty sure we're going to run out of battery soon, so, yep. And I didn't bring my extra battery. So, say goodbye to the people.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Follow her at That Biker Chick. She's got good content on Instagram. Subscribe to the channel. Do it now. Do it. Hit the like button and do all that stuff. Hit the bell icon for notifications. And that's it. Ride safe, y'all.